Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're just going to be testing this Toki Marie HK416 Devgru. This is got the EagleSix upgraded mainspring, EagleSix upgraded recoil spring set. It's got the Gates Titan Basic, Prometheus Barrel, Laylax Trigger Pin. It's got Firefly Hop Rubber and which obviously equates to our level 3 build. We've also got the Dean's mod there, which is obviously the Prometheus Gold Bar Kit, which just converts this proprietary connection at the end here, so that it's a nice convenient standard wire system. You can just tuck all these in here and just put a cover on, and obviously it sits nicely. This works with the 1300 7.4 crane stock batteries. They work quite nicely on there, give you a little bit of room to stuff the wiring down. And that's everything for thing. Obviously 247 on 3.2s and 341 on 2s. This build was, even though it obviously not maximised the 3.2s there, it's designed for a sight that would obviously be putting 0.2s into your gun. They still exist, unfortunately, in the UK. Obviously we're asking customers, to specify specifically those, and if they do go to one, if they do, then obviously we'll cater more of a build where the 0.2 reading is below 350. Obviously that unfortunately means that the 3.2 ammo that you're actually going to be running, if you decide to use that ammo, is going to be obviously a little bit down, not maximized. But when you go to a site that runs duals, they'll obviously say, oh, your gun's running a bit low. It is what it is. You've either got to cater a gun to all sites, or like I say, you cater it to one specific, which is why we always ask you what the FPS is that you need, as opposed to telling you. So we'll obviously just demonstrate now. There we go. So all tested, everything's all working, nothing wobbling off, which is great. So that's obviously the stress test complete. Any problems with the specification, let us know. But otherwise, hopefully everything's good for you on the build, and we can get this out to you. Thank you.